Can you see yourself in the 2018 Acura TLX? With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. What do you get when you take luxury, add sports styling, and inject it with high-performance engineering? The TLX. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera, lane keeping assist, satellite radio. Heighten your driving experience. Drive the TLX today.